In this video, you'll learn how to create a contact form in WordPress. By following these steps, you will be able to add a functional contact form to any page on your WordPress site. Begin by navigating to the WordPress dashboard. From there, Locators section in the left-hand menu. Click on All Pages to see a list of your existing pages. Next, choose the page where you want to add the contact form. Hover over the desired page and click the edit link that appears beneath it. This action will open the page editor, allowing you to make changes to the content. Once the page editor is open, look for the plus button, which is typically located at the top left corner of the editor. Clicking this button will open a block inserter menu where you can add new content blocks to your page. In the block inserter, use the search bar to type in form. As you type, you will see a list of available blocks that match your search. Select the form block from the list to add it to your page. After selecting the form block, a variety of templates will appear for you to choose from. For this tutorial, select the contact form template. This selection will automatically add several essential fields to your page. The contact form will include a name field, an email field, a message field, and a submit button. This setup allows users to enter their information easily and send you messages directly through your website. Once you have added the contact form and made any necessary adjustments, look for the update or publish button located in the upper right corner of the page editor. Clicking this button will save your changes and make the contact form live on your site. Before you finalize the process, ensure that your form is functioning properly by reviewing it on the front end of your website. Check that all fields are visible and that the submit button works as expected. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.